Training chest isn't just for guys. It's a game changer for your strength, posture, and confidence. Let's be real. The idea of chest training isn't something you hear women talk about every day. When you walk into most gyms, you'll find that chest exercises are often seen as guys' territory or something only bodybuilders do. But what if I told you that chest training is just as important for women as it is for men? Building a strong chest isn't about looking bulky or overly muscular. It's about creating a foundation for better posture, reducing everyday aches and pains, and even boosting your confidence. So, if you've been skipping chest day, it might be time to reconsider. Today, we're diving into why chest training should be on every woman's fitness radar. We'll break down the key health benefits, the societal impact of busting fitness myths, and of course, some practical ways you can incorporate chest exercises into your routine. By the end, you'll see that chest training is about so much more than looks. It's about creating a stronger, healthier you. First, let's look at the health side of things. Training your chest muscles isn't just about strength or definition. It actually improves how you carry yourself. A strong chest supports your shoulders, helping keep your back aligned and reducing strain. Think of it like this: if you're someone who sits at a desk, it's easy for your shoulders to slump forward, creating tension in your upper back and neck. By building your chest muscles, you create a counterbalance that pulls your shoulders back and keeps your spine in better alignment. And let's not forget that a strong chest also helps you perform everyday activities with ease. Whether it's lifting something heavy, carrying your kids, or simply holding good posture, your chest muscles play a major role. Studies show that women who strength train experience less back pain and have a reduced risk of shoulder injuries over time. So, this isn't just about what happens in the gym. It's about feeling good every day, no matter what life throws at you. Next, let's talk about something a little deeper: the societal impact of chest training. For years, the fitness world has pushed the idea that women should stick to cardio and avoid bulking up. But this mindset only limits us. Strength training, especially chest training, can actually boost your confidence, helping you feel empowered and in control of your body. When you break out of those stereotypes and start training for strength, it's like sending a message to yourself and to society that women can be strong and feminine at the same time. By embracing chest exercises, you're not just building muscle, you're challenging stereotypes, proving that strength isn't only for men or bodybuilders, it's for everyone. When women step into their strength, they redefine what it means to be strong. And that impact goes beyond the gym. It changes how we view ourselves, how we walk through the world, and how we encourage others to reach their potential too. So, how can you get started? It's simple. Begin with a few key exercises that focus on form and gradual progress. The bench press, dumbbell chest fly, and push-ups are excellent for building chest strength without straining your joints. You don't need heavy weights. In fact, starting with lighter weights and mastering your form will help you see results faster and avoid injury. Consistency is key. Just a few sets each week will help build strength and tone. For beginners, try starting with 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Focus on feeling each muscle work, rather than rushing through the motions. This way, you activate the muscles fully and get the most out of each set. Remember, it's about quality over quantity. Over time, you'll notice the benefits not just in the mirror, but in your daily life, from carrying groceries to improved posture and even better workouts in other areas. Training your chest is so much more than lifting weights. It's about building a balanced, healthy, and strong body that can handle whatever life throws your way. Beyond the physical benefits, it empowers you mentally, challenges outdated beliefs, and helps you move through life with confidence. The best part, it doesn't take hours in the gym or heavy lifting. Small, consistent efforts build strength over time. So, don't shy away from chest day. Embrace it as part of your fitness journey, knowing you're building strength from the inside out. Remember, real strength is about more than just muscles. It's about resilience, empowerment, and knowing you can handle challenges with confidence and grace. If you're ready to explore more ways to empower your fitness, be sure to like, subscribe, and join us for more transformative tips.